Hey guys, we have a problem. There's an issue here. It was just brought into my attention by actually two of my friends. They actually WhatsApped me. So there are some guys who've been using my images. So they just take the thumbnails from my videos here on YouTube, and then they use it to advertise a scam. I'm calling it a scam because of the reasons I am about to show you. Now, let me say this outright, that I don't know these guys. I don't know what they are after. When you see these things, as what I'm about to show you, when you see them, kindly report these ads so that they can be removed. Yeah, because you know they are tarnishing my name. Yes, I'm not that popular, yeah, but it doesn't mean that someone can just, you know, use my image just to promote their scams. So what I'm talking about actually is this. So let me show you. So this is actually what I'm talking about. So this company called, I don't know if it's a company or whatever, they're called Gamekaya. So they're using my image. As you can see clearly, this is me. Yeah, this is me. They've plastered this, as you can see, Gamekaya in Kenya, that pays whatever this is. So this is not the only one. This is not the only image. Yeah, this is not the, and as you can see here, it says sponsored. So what they are doing is they are taking my thumbnails from here on YouTube. So let me show you my thumbnails here. Yeah, so if you go to videos, okay, let me make sure that it's showing all of the videos. As you can see, these are exactly, so I can even actually pinpoint the one that they are taking, this one. As you can see, this thumbnail, they just changed. As you can see, it says online jobs in Kenya that pay that amount per day. Yeah, now look at theirs. Look at theirs. So they just used my image, replaced whatever this is. That's I guess they just photoshopped that. Then they put their name here, and then they changed 1 to 8. And as you can see, this is another fake whatever this is. So if you see these guys, just know that's not me, and they are trying to scam you. So this is another image. As you can see, they pulled it directly from one of these images. Yeah, they just pulled one of my thumbnails, and then I think this is it. Yeah, they just stole that exactly, yeah, the way it is. So guys, if you see this, that's not me. Please kindly report that ad. I don't know anything about it. They're just stealing people's images. Now let's just do a little digging about these guys. You know, let's learn a little bit about who they are. So if you can see here, this is their website. If you click on it, it takes you to something really weird. Yeah, so this is an app that loads. I don't know what this is, but you know, from the name, okay, what I notice here is there is a KE, there is a subfolder on their website called KE. So this tells me almost immediately that this is not a Kenyan company. So I guess these are guys that are trying to scam Kenyans. Yeah, maybe they are in collusion with someone in Kenya. And if you can see their name, Gamekaya 003, that's not a good way. That's not a good sign of a legit company. It's a good thing because Facebook has made it really easy for us to know, for pages to be transparent. As you can see here, this page actually is not managed from Kenya. So there are two people managing this page. One is from Bangladesh and the other one is from Cambodia. Well, this could be a Kenyan actually using a VPN, but it doesn't matter. Using VPN, you know, to mask their IPs, but why would you do that if you're doing something legit? Yes. Now, something else here, you can see this page was created this year actually on 17th. Now, if you see the website, so let's investigate the website. So my favorite way is just to see who is behind the website. Yeah, who owns the website and when was it registered and all that stuff. So to do that, you can just go to whois.com/whois/ the domain name you want. Now, if you can see here, it's registered by EAC Directory. So EAC Directory is a web hosting company in Kenya. They register domains. And as you can see, the domain was registered on 16th January. And the page was created on 17th. So they created it, you know, the next day after registering this domain name. And now everything else is blank. Yeah, they hide everything. I don't think even they provided, because if they did, it would have been it would be showing up here, but they didn't do that. And also what I noticed while doing some research about these guys, I noticed very many domains. So there were more than one domain. Yeah, there were more than one domain. Now something here, the page is not active or whatever. Now the ads, we can also see if they are running ads. Yeah, so we can go to so just go to any page if you want to see if they are running ads. As you can see, this page is currently running ads. So just click to go to ad library. Yeah, and we can see also from there. So what I noticed when I looked at some of the running ads also is that it's not actually they are not stealing the images from me alone. There's an image I actually saw that happens to be what I was reading that day about. So this is the image I'm talking about. Yeah. So this image is from a Kenyan company that create games. Yeah. So let me see if you can find it. Kenyan Matatu game. So that was the thing that I was looking at. So let's see if we can find anything on them. So I think this is the game, the Nganya Unlimited. Let's go to images and you will notice something. They just took their images and they're using it to advertise their scam. As you can see, this is the image that they took to advertise this game. Now, if you click on any of their ads, this is not what you expect. Yeah, this is deceptive. This is not what, you know, they are trying to lie to you that this is the game you will be playing, but that's not it. What you will be playing actually is gambling. You will be gambling. Yes. So notice something here. So when you click any of these ads, it takes you here. As you can see, it's gamekaya14.co.ke, which is different from what we saw earlier. Yes, this is different from what they provide on their website, which means these guys are trying. I'm thinking this might be a real legit business somewhere else, but they're just bringing it to Kenya to scam people. Yeah, they're just bringing it. As you can see, why use all of this? As you can see, this game Kaya 14. Now I don't know. You know, I haven't investigated yet to see if Game Kaya is a real business or not. I haven't done that, and I don't care. What I care about is they're stealing people's images to advertise this scam. Now you see they're showing you that you will be driving this, but then when you reach there, this is what you see. Now I'm sure this is not something real. Yeah, this is fake. All of this is fake. So don't fall for these guys, and don't fall even for all of this. Yeah, it's just, you know, they're just trying to steal your money. This is something I know you remember public likes. So see, this is something almost the same. Now, what I don't understand is how this thing got through Facebook ads policy. As you can see clearly here, there are some prohibited content that you cannot, you know, advertise through Facebook. For example, adult products, alcohol, body parts and fluids. And as you can see here, gambling. So as you can see here, listings may not promote the buying, selling, or facilitation of online gambling for money or money's worth, including digital currencies, online gambling, including gaming, betting, lotteries, raffles, and casino. Now, this is where this ad falls. Yeah, it's a casino. So there's something like you just come here, and as you can see here, welcome to whatever this is, and then you can win cash. Now that's betting. Yeah. and it falls under this category. I don't know how this got through Facebook, but let's report it. Just go, when you see it on your timeline, click these buttons here and then click report the ad. Now when these loads, just click prohibited content, and of course now Facebook will do that. Now even half of us do this, these guys will be stopped. They won't be scamming you anymore, and of course they won't be using our images to to advertise this scam. So thank you guys again. Let me reiterate it again. I don't know these guys. I don't know who they are, and I don't know why they are after my images. They are there to scam you. There's nothing real. It's illegal. So please be vigilant. Don't let anyone lie to you that you can make 80K in a day. There's nothing like that. It doesn't happen like that unless unless you're, I don't know. Well, maybe there are some legit ways, but this is not it. This is not it. This look like a scam. So guys, stay away from that and be safe. Thank you again. Bye.